in advance include egg muffins, Greek yogurt bowls, protein pancakes, chicken lettuce wraps, protein and vegetable stir-fry with no rice. 5. Carry low-carb snacks. Low-carb snack options for between meals include hard-boiled eggs, unsweetened yogurt, baby or regular carrots, handful of nuts, cheese. It is essential to regulate portion size of any snacks to avoid overeating. All you need to know about the primal diet. All you need to know about the primal diet. Another popular and usually low-carb diet is the primal diet. Learn more about it, and what you can eat here. Read now. 6. Consider carb cycling. Carb cycling involves eating very low-carb foods for a set amount of days, followed by one day of eating higher carb meals. This helps the body avoid fat-burning plateaus that can develop after weeks of low-carb dieting. Carb cycling is not for everyone, and anyone considering it should talk to their doctor or nutritionist first. 7. Not all carbs are created equal. Carbs come in different forms. Simple carbs consist of easy-to-digest sugars. Refined and processed carbs, such as white sugar and white flour, are simple carbs. People who are starting on a low-carb diet need to think about reducing their intake of refined and processed carbs. Avoiding these carbs will be beneficial for reaching an ideal weight and for health in general. However, not all simple carbs are created equal. Fruits include fructose, which is a simple carb, but eating fruit is recommended in a low-carb diet, as it is loaded with nutrients and is a whole food source of carbs. Complex carbs take longer to digest than simple carbs, as they need to be broken down into a simpler form. Complex carbs are found in more nutrient-rich foods, such as beans, whole grains, and fiber-rich fruits, such as bananas. Complex carbs also have the added benefit of making a person feel full faster, which might prevent them from overeating. Complex carbs also make people feel full for longer, which might help them avoid snacking between meals. 8. Be aware of alternatives. Substituting high-carb foods for low-carb or no-carb foods can help reduce carb intake. Some low-carb substitutions include lettuce leaves instead of taco shells, portobello mushroom caps instead of buns, baked butternut squash fries, eggplant lasagna, cauliflower pizza crust, spaghetti squash instead of noodles, zucchini ribbons instead of pasta. 9. Exercise appropriately. Exercise is an important part of overall health. People should avoid a sedentary lifestyle but refrain from excessive exercising. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) recommend that adults do moderate exercise for 150 minutes a week for a minimum 10 minutes at a time for moderate health benefits. For optimal health benefits, the CDC recommend 300 minutes of exercise. The CDC also suggests that people lift weights or do other strength training exercises to improve overall health. Those on low-carb diets may want to avoid long periods of intense activity such as distance running. This is because people who are doing a form of exercise that requires extra endurance, such as marathon training, will need extra carbohydrates to fuel their bodies. 10. Use common sense. People should know about potential health risks before starting a low-carb diet. Short-term health risks caused by a low-carb diet may include cramping, constipation, palpitations, high cholesterol, headaches, brain fog, lack of energy, nausea, bad breath, rash, reduced athletic performance. Long-term health risks caused by a low-carb diet may include nutritional deficiencies, loss of bone density, gastrointestinal problems. Some people should not follow a low-carb diet unless instructed to do so by a doctor. These groups of people include those with kidney disease and teenagers. Not everyone will benefit from, or should even consider, a low-carb diet. Anyone thinking about doing a low-carb diet should speak with a doctor before starting. Takeaway: a low-carb diet can have some benefits, including weight loss. With some planning and appropriate substitutions, most people can follow a low-carb diet. However, a low-carb diet may not be the best way to achieve long-term or sustainable health goals. When following a low-carb diet, it is essential that people eat healthfully and do not overeat certain foods, such as very fatty meats. People looking to lose weight or considering going on a low-carb diet should speak to their doctor or nutritionist before making any significant changes.